Hello children, welcome to Saraswati Shishu Kunj, Vaghwala, Borsad. Today I am giving you very nice video of English chapter 6, the story of the road. Now in this story you will learn what is the story of the road, means what is happening on the road early in the morning. Okay, because whenever you are passing on the road, so maximum daytime, right? So you never watch the situation or happens whatever happens early in the morning, that you never watch. So in this video, in this chapter, you will learn that what is happening early in the morning on the road. So here in this picture, what you can see, there is a boy on the bicycle, then after crow, sparrow, some big trees, some small trees, then after backside of the trees you can see some houses, means buildings, then after grass, right? So early in the morning maximum you can see like this all the vision. Okay, so now let's get started. It is early morning. The road is asleep. Everything is quiet. Of course, early in the morning, maximum road is vacant. Means vehicles are not moving on the road early in the morning. That's why the road is silent. Everywhere you can see everything is quiet, because early mornings so many people are sleeping, not moving on the road, not making noise of with their vehicles. So every time in the early in the morning you can see everything is quiet and you can feel that the road is sleeping. So right now you can see, of course road is not human being, so road doesn't have eyes, but here only the poet makes the design of the eyes, means the road is sleep. Of course road is not sleeping, right? So let's see what happens ahead on the road. But listen, the birds are calling softly, means vehicles are not moving early in the morning on the road, but who are making noise? Birds, especially crow and sparrow and cock. Cock says cook-a-day cook, right? In the village especially you can listen the voice of a peacock, then cock, right? But in the city maximum you will hear the sound of birds, means crow and sparrow. See, the sparrow is making noise. What is the sound of sparrow? Chirrup, 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 chirrup. Means you are hearing not chirrup, but you are hearing chee, 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 right? Then crow says cow, 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 cow. Wake up, wake up. So definitely the crow will not speak wake up, but when the crow is making noise of cow, 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 so on that time the crow is telling now morning happens. So all of you all wake up, wake up. See here, you can see whole location of the road, and you can see near the tire, means wheel of the cycle, you can see two eyes are open of the road. So here it is just imagination of the poet. Definitely you will not see road's eyes. Road is never sleeping. In the night if you are running, if you are moving your car on the road, so road will not tell like this way that don't move on me, I am sleeping, right? So road will not sleep definitely, because it is non-living. So it is the imagination of the poet about road. Here is someone else now. See, who is he in his bicycle? Let's see later that who is he. But what he is making noise? Tringling, tringling. Now, how he can make the noise of tringling by mouth? No. Why the boy will speak tringling, tringling? Right? But boy is making the sound of his bicycle's bell. Okay? Bicycle's bell he is pushing his bicycle bell and making sound of tringling, tringling. In this chapter you will learn maximum sounds. So you have to remember what is the sound of which things or which bird. Okay? It is the newspaper boy. See, it has so many newspaper in his bag on the bicycle's basket also. Right? He is selling newspapers door to door early in the morning because people like to read newspaper early in the morning, and then they are enjoying their tea and breakfast also with the reading of newspaper. And some people are literally addicted with newspaper, means they want newspaper in the morning, otherwise they are thinking that still their morning is not happening. So they want newspaper every day. So newspaper boy is giving newspaper daily door to door on the ride of bicycle. Tringling, wake up. Again with the sound of his bicycle's bell, he is telling to everyone that now it's morning happens. So now you all has to wake up because now it's morning. So now it's time for reading the newspaper. So that's why he is making his sounds of cycle bell. Again chirrup, chirrup says the sparrow. Cow, cow says the crow. You can see in this picture that crow and sparrow is making the noise of their cow, cow and chirrup, chirrup. And you can see the sun rises very nicely with happy face because it's quite very little light in the morning. Sharp 12 o'clock afternoon, its rays there raises, right? But in the morning, its light is not that much of high. So it is very light. So very light rays. So we feel very cool in the morning time. Now who is this coming? You can see who is this coming now? Yes, it is the vegetable man. Why his name is vegetable man? Because he is selling vegetables, different vegetables in his vendor, right? He put some vegetables in his vendor. Tomatoes, cabbages, can you see? Cauliflowers, radish, carrots, cucumber, peas, right? So these all are vegetables he is selling. And in the morning what he has to do? He has to go door to door on the road. He has to move on the road, and definitely he has to shout for his vegetables. He has to scroll, means whenever he will speak his vegetables names loudly, then and then public will understand, then and then people can understand. The vegetable men came, so they will come out to buy their vegetables which they want. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, says the vegetable man. Of course, vegetable man will speak the names of that vegetable. Those all vegetables name he will speak. Then and then people will understand that this vegetable man has this particular vegetable. If I want tomatoes and vegetable man will speak tomatoes, potatoes, cauliflowers, then I will understand, yes, this vegetable man has tomatoes, so let me go out and let me buy some tomatoes. Then I will go out, right? So like that way, if he will not speak loudly about his vegetables, so no one will understand that vegetable man came outside, right? potatoes, cucumbers, radishes, carrots. See here some more names of vegetables. Children, you have to read the spellings of these all vegetables, because whatever you like, those names you will not write in your exam. You can't write lady's finger, lady finger, then onion, right, brinjals, like that way you will not write in your exam. Whatever here the mention, the names of vegetables, only those names you can write in your exam. If I will ask you which vegetables this vegetable man bring, so you have to write only these names. Which names? Peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, potatoes, cucumbers, radishes, carrots, right? Only these names you can mention in your answer. So you have to learn all these names of vegetables. Again, cow, 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 says crow, wake up, wake up. Chirrup, chirrup, says sparrows. Now see, tramp, 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 chatter, 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 chatter. Now some new sounds. But who is making these sounds? Of course, you can see here the picture of school. And who are there? Yes, children, students like you, right? And school van also running on the, moving on the road. You can see children are so happy because they love school, love to go to school. They all wear their uniforms, happy with bags and pencil they have, and they are so happy. They are walking with each other and talking with each other. Whatever they are making, talking sound, that is called chatter, chatter. Okay, and whatever, see, whose are these? Who are these? They are children going to school, right? They are going to school and they are children, they are students. They are making their shoes sound, tramp, tramp, tramp. Means when they are walking, their shoes becomes the little bit sounds, and that sounds called tramp, tramp. Here once again vegetable man came, sparrow came, crow came. These all are telling that wake up, this is early morning. Now the road is telling that already I wake up, right? And road become angry on sparrow and crow, that can't you see, you foolish bird, I am already wake up, I am already wide awake, I am already not sleeping any time, right? See, I am wide awake means I am very wide, I am wide and I am always awake, I never sleeps. Okay, so this is the story of the road. Means road never become tired and never sleeps. In the morning, in the night, never the road is sleeping. This is the story of the road, right children? This is very easy and very nice story of the road. With the colorful pictures, now you can understand what is the sound of these all and what is happening early in the morning on the road. So this is the story of the road. And simultaneously, I will send you one worksheet of spellings, right, about of this chapter. And you have to write all the spellings very nicely with good handwriting and without any spelling mistakes, right? And you will complete your work on time. Okay children, and after this video, in my next video, I will give you some more information about this chapter. We will write word meaning and some more exercise, maybe question answer, whatever it is happening, that I will let you know in my next video. Okay, so if you can't understand this chapter, so you can read it once again. You can read the chapter in your textbook. You can understand them very easily. You can see the pictures once again and then you will understand very nicely. I hope you enjoyed this chapter, right? I am very happy when you are enjoying your videos. Okay children, so till then we will meet in our next video. So till then stay safe. Jai Hind and goodbye.